How to move or drag layers or down in Alight Motion. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how you can easily move or drag your layers up or down in Alight Motion application. So let's get started. So first thing first, just open up your any of your new project or existing project from your Alight Motion. So let me just quickly open any one of these. So as you can see, I have two different layers in this example. You can also create a new layer by manually splitting the particular video file just like this. So as you can see, I was just made it or converted this two layers into three layers. So now what you gotta do to move or drag layers up and down in ease, you can see, or you might have noticed that when you cannot directly move it downside or upward from the specific position. But what you can do instead is you can just see this hamburger looking icon right next to the video section or right over here. So what you need to do is just tap or long press on that particular option just like this. So let me just quickly show you until this light shadow appears, and you can simply drag and drop it just like this to successfully move or drag layers up or down in Alight Motion. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.